Most people use Microsoft Excel 365 to make calculations, create simple charts, and maybe even write some basic formulas. But what if I told you there are powerful features hidden within Excel that can completely change how you work with spreadsheets? Features that are often overlooked but are essential for those who want to truly master Excel. In this video, we'll reveal these untold Microsoft Excel 365 functionalities. We'll show you what they are, why they matter, and how to use them. So if you're ready to unlock the hidden potential of Excel, keep watching. This is part 2 of our series on Untold Microsoft 365 features. In part 1, we covered similar hidden features in Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. At No. 1. Linked data types. Excel now recognizes linked data types like stocks, geography, and even foods. This means when you type in text like Apple or New York, for example, typing city names and converting them to geography inserts not only the flag, but also the population, area, and other details. And if you update the original cell with a different city, everything connected to it updates instantly. Or you could insert the current stock prices of a company by simply typing its name and converting it to a stock data type. Then as the stock price changes throughout the day, you'll see the updates reflected in your spreadsheet without having to manually refresh anything. This transforms Excel into a live database with no formulas or complicated setup needed. To enable this feature, go to the Data tab under Data Types. Simply click on the option that matches the type of data you want to use. For instance, to use stocks, select Stock Prices. Add No. 2. Power Map. Did you know you can create an interactive 3D map of your data in Excel? It's called the Power Map, and it lets you visualize geographic data like sales, population, or trends for different locations. It's really easy to make. Click Insert, then go to 3D Map. Click on the type of map you want. If you want a globe, choose Open Mapping. Now all you have to do is select the country data you want to show on your map. Let's say you want to show the sales for each country. Select the data, click on the Map button again, and you'll see your 3D map with the data you provided. You can rotate the globe, zoom in and out, and even add animations to show how things change over time. This feature is great for anyone who works with geographic data and wants to visualize it in an interactive way. Just remember to include the location data in your spreadsheet and then use the steps above to create your 3D map. The LAMBDA function is one of the most powerful features in Excel. It lets you create your own custom functions using formulas, meaning you can write your own version of if or sum, for example, tailored to your exact needs. To write a LAMBDA function, start by typing LAMBDA, then open and close parentheses. You can then define the inputs to your function, which are the cells that will provide the data for the formula. Next, write the actual formula, and finally, close the parentheses. Once you've written the function, you can give it a name so that you can use it like any other function. To use your new function, simply type its name, followed by the inputs in parentheses. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to take their Excel skills to the next level. By mastering the LAMBDA function, you can automate complex calculations and make your spreadsheets more efficient and powerful. At No. 4. Analyze data with ideas and insert data from picture. These two new features are a game changer for anyone working with data in Excel. First up, let's look at ideas. When you click on this button, Excel analyzes your data and suggests charts, trend lines, and even pivot tables. All you have to do is select the data you want to analyze and click on Ideas. From there, you can choose the type of chart or analysis that you want. This feature is perfect for quickly visualizing your data and getting insights without having to spend time creating charts manually. Next, let's look at Insert Data from Picture. This feature allows you to take a photo of a printed table and have Excel turn it into editable data. To use this feature, simply click on the Insert tab under Data from Picture and select the image that you want to use. From there, Excel will analyze the image and turn it into data that you can edit. This is an incredibly useful feature for anyone who needs to work with data that is in an electronic format. If you found these features helpful, be sure to check out our video on for Untold Microsoft Teams features. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for watching.